Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Beautiful day out here at the park. My daughter's running wild over there. Got a bunch of kids out here. A bunch of dogs out here too. It's a dog park. But I'm out here to fly one of my drones, y'all. And this time I'm out here with the Dromida Ominus. I have made quite a few changes to it. So just to get you guys up to speed of what I did, I added these props. These are new props. I can't remember what drone these props came from, but I had these props on my Latrax Alias. And so I put the normal stock props on the Latrax Alias and I swapped these over to the Dromida Ominus, and these props make this thing fly a lot better. And also I put ball bearings throughout, so this guy has ball bearings now. And the last thing I did was swap out the connection right there. All right, now how you? And so I swapped out the power lead now to the PH 2.0 to fit all my batteries and all. And so let's get this guy in the air so I could show you guys how it flies. Oh, and I am going to be flying this with my Vivo 12E with deviation. Multi-protocol transmitter. This guy is on the SLT protocol. Let's try to get it bound. Oh, I think it's already bound now. Check it out. Oh, I got something set. Trying to get this guy back in. Okay, I got it back in sport mode. Check it out. So I think I might have figured this thing out as far as the rates. Let me try that again. Okay, yeah, not quite. This guy does have acro mode, but I can't figure out in the switches how to get it in acro mode. But I can get it in this really, really deep pitched sport mode. And this thing flies awesome now. Imani, stop chasing my drone with that big stick. My daughter's cutting up now. You know. See if I can get a backward flip. Oh, got it. Oh, another one. Oh, not in there though. I had to put on the brakes. It almost went in the trees. Check out the funnel. See if we could do a barrel roll. Yep. Always a bunch of motor noise. This thing flies awesome now. A lot of deep pitch on it now. You know. Doesn't have the same authority as like the X6058 or anything like that. But it is an awesome flyer though. As you can see, this thing can be thrown around. My daughter's chasing it. And this thing dives really awesome. Not sure if I could get a double flip. I did. Get a double flip out of it. Let's try it again. Hopefully I got my head raised high enough to see that. See that? See? Well, it's flashing now. Battery's dying, but this guy still flips when the battery is in LVC. So I'm gonna bring it in. I don't want to fly it until it falls. I don't know how long I get. Sheesh, whole gang of gnats over here. Awesome flyer, Dromida Ominus. This thing is still available in the Amazon store. I'll have a link in the description so you guys can purchase if you're interested. The Dromida Ominus. Heavily modded though. Thanks for watching.